Today I'm taking a look at the Welder. So we got a chipping hammer with a wire brush. We got our stinger, and it does appear to have a star pattern in there so you can hold the stick at a different direction. It has a pretty nice spring on it as well. We got our working clamp, no braids or anything special like that, just a simple little working clamp. And it comes with a couple of rods, and these appear to be Golden Bridge J422s. We got our manual, and here is the Welder. That is a super tiny little thing. So if you got to take this to a work site, this is going to be an excellent choice for that. Got our on-off switch on the back. It does have active cooling. Regular 120 volt plug. Got our current adjustment. It says it goes from 20 to 140. We got our display, positive and negative. So it does make a little noise. You can hear the fan, but it is definitely not loud by any means. We're going to start with about 60 amps, so we're at 61. I'm going to use the rod that came with it. This is that Golden Bridge. Okay, so that runs very, very smoothly. I didn't have any spatters or anything like that. I only had a couple of breaks, but that was my fault just for pulling away too far. But it ran great. So this bead was already there. This is the bead I just ran, and that thing is pretty butter. So yeah, that welder can definitely weld. Love how tiny it is. I mean, that thing's going to be very portable, very easy to carry around. And the fact that it runs beads very well makes that an excellent welder.